guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining. In the spirit of Mother's Day, I thought I would have my mother join us today. We are here at Wood and Fire and we are going to have dinner and just taste some things and we'll see what's nice. These guys have all been here before. This is my first time and they were like saying that it's amazing. So we're gonna see if it really is amazing.
It is, and everyone else.
Guys, I hope the sound is okay. It's a bit loud in here, so if it's not, I apologize. As long as you can hear a little bit. The point of the fact of the matter is, it's good.
This is Wood and Fire in Brooklyn, Pretoria. We brought my mom here for Mother's Day because it's one of her favorites. The food is delicious and it feels a little bit like fine dining, but in a relaxed setting. We like to order loads of small plates for the table and share. I think it's just a Portuguese way of eating. Let's call it family style dining. They also have an extensive drinks and cocktail menu to accompany your meal. This was our Mother's Day for 2023. Love you, Mommy. I hope you enjoy our little restaurant review.
Are these tapas, eh?
These little ones.
They're like
These small
small.
plates are, but then there's
You
other
have
food.
You don't have to go with us.
There's other food.
Me, I love a tapa, eh? I like these small plates, sharing things. I love doing that. So I think we're gonna all do that. My sister says the flatbreads are amazing, so we're gonna do that. Pork belly looks good. Pork belly sounds good. And apparently it is good. Duck, I like duck. They put duck. Oh, I love duck. Might have a duck. There's a lot of options. I think what we're gonna do is just get a whole lot of different options and we're just all gonna share so that we can all try everything. Don't you like Mom's pink jacket? Yeah. Thank you, girls. Mom, you're very untrained at the moment, by the way. Thank you. Even the bag, it's cool. It's funny. My mag's cool. Yeah. So what do you think this size? What do you think? I shouldn't do this. Rather not. That's what she says. Oh, that's pretty. I think it's a. Oh, that's pretty.
You see the colours? Oh, those are nice. I like the colours.
That's very good.
Now you can have them at home.
Let's coffee in them tomorrow. Thank you. Look at this, guys. It looks beautiful. Thank you. And just look at this. It's a lot, but we're gonna try it out. I think we are fine. I like these kind of things. It reminds me of when I went to Thailand. And that our spring rolls. I think he's gonna steal one of my spring rolls. Yeah. Well, I'll let you taste.
Look how delicious that Greek salad is.
For Greek salad, it looks delicious.
It does look. That's my favourite.
Okay. And Mom? Yes. Let's go. Let's taste this. Okay, this is the short rib. Okay, what is that? Is it good, Mom? It's good. Very good. That's delicious. What do you rate it? We must rate it out of 10. Rate it? Can we rate it out of 10?
9.5.
You say 9.5. What do you think?
9.5. 9.
9. Okay, 9. I'll say
9.5.
I'll say 8.5. So, what's the average? Accountants, can you please work out the average on 9.5, 9, and 8.5? I think we'll go for 9. Let's go for 9.
It's soft and it's juicy.
It is juicy. Nice and just the right amount of fat.
Just,
You know? The sauce on it, it's almost like sweet, you know? The sauce, it's like sweet.
yeah.
I love it. I love it.
It's
Nine.
really delicious.
9 out of 10 for this one. Okay, guys. Next is the halloumi. It's got some honey in. It's like a, you know, like the baklava pastries, like that stuff. How's it funny? Okay, are we going?
Yeah.
Halloumi with honey and baklava pastry. Man.
Now, here. It's got the rosemary.
What do you think, Mother?
Very good.
And it's nice and crispy on the outside. Oh, I'd give this one a 8.5. And you?
Oh, 15, you know.
Is it better than the short rib?
I like it more than the short rib, to be honest. Like, it's like, I don't know, maybe because I wasn't expecting it, you know? I wasn't expecting it. It was two different things, but like, I wasn't expecting this to be so good. It's so good.
It is good, eh?
Okay, how was it, Mother? You
Very
finished
nice.
already. You didn't even wait for me.
Well, you were busy with him.
You take it all at one time. But this is nice, but it's very minty, so I'll give it a 7.5. Did you give it?
8.5.
8.5. And you?
I haven't eaten, I need a food.
Oh, shut up. I'll eat your fork. I'll use your fork.
No worries, I also.
We're not only sharing food, we're sharing forks as well. Yeah, this is pork belly. Very nice, very nice. But give me just the mint, you know. Okay, next is the duck. This was my choice. And it's got a beetroot, what? Puree. Guys, I think there's something wrong with my knife, right? What do you think? The beetroot puree is not like doesn't taste like beetroot. I don't know what it tastes like.
7.5.
I agree. You all the 7 are my favorites. 7 or 7.5.
7.5. Yeah, not my favorite. Maybe because it's cold.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. My mother's already taken a bite of it. It's like a chicken burger with a. It's not a bun. What do you call it? A bao bun. It's delicious. Delicious. What do you think?
No, I'm just almost full.
I'll say 9. I'll give it a 9. Look, now we're having the red. 1, 2, 3, go. I like the red. There's like good smokiness to it. Good smokiness. It's juicy. Nice and juicy and sweet and delicious, you know. Soft. All the things you want from a rib. Good. I think it's like the best, one of the best ribs I've ever had. It's really good. Really, really good. 9.5. half actually. 9.5. I'd rate the rib 9.5. The table is getting very much smaller, so we're doing a good job. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's a sauce. What's the sauce?
It's mayonnaise.
About time without the hay. Delicious. It's like smoky, again sweet. What? Tangy.
Is it better than the rib or not?
No, the rib was better.
The rib was good.
The rib was better, but is it delicious? It's not. That doesn't mean it's not delicious. It's just the rib was better.
8. It's a lot. 8. I'll rate it at 8. Not 8.
Let me taste the sauce again. We're going to
I think that's just plain mayonnaise.
Yeah, the sauce is nothing.
What did you like home about?
But the chips are delicious. These are like Portuguese chips. Good. 8. And for the chicken. Okay, let's taste this one. Good. What do you think about it? Boy butter?
No, I haven't tasted the butter.
Thailand spring rolls though, they were all vegetarian. So he won't eat it. He only wanted the vegetarian spring rolls. So this is obviously more meatier. It's delicious. It's crispy. It's what do you think? What do you tell? What is the flavors that you are tasting? It's lots of spice.
It's spicy.
Yeah. Not anything hot. It's not hot spicy, but a lot of fresh. I think the sauce is what's the spicy thing comes in the sauce. What did you rate it? I would rate it. What would you rate it?
7.
8.5. 8.5. And you know, no. Ah, no, you know. Okay. I'll rate it.
They call it lamb.
I'll rate it a 9.
That's their lamb.
Maybe 8.5. 8.5. 8.5. And then, but out of all of those, the buns, the steamed buns was my favorite. That was my favorite, and then the least favorite was probably the duck.
I love a lot of people.
Good evening. Good evening. Did you eat well? Are you finished?
I am now stuffed.
Are you?
I can have dessert.
Oh, yeah.
Forgot about dessert. Bread and salad, guys. Nothing better.
That's very nice.
Okay, guys. So this is it's called the lemon and fennel sundae. It's olive oil and sumac gelato, caramelized sugar bits, olive oil and sumac cake, appetizer jelly, almonds, papadum, tulle, is that how you say it? Tulle, whatever, tulle, and fennel caramel. So we're gonna try this olive oil and sumac gelato. See how that goes. Do you want half of this? Hey, sisters? It's a very weird one. It's olive oily. Olive oily. Taste it. It's nice though.
Maybe taste the two together.
Taste this. How's your cheesecake, by the way?
Very good.
What do you think? Interesting. What do you think of
The caramel is good.
But that is why you should
It's like these almonds are like sweet, and it's got like a, so that like breaks it. It gives it a bit of like
The gelato, not my cup of tea.
what is this? Oh, there's a, like a jelly. Maybe you just eat everything together. Let's try everything together. Okay? We're gonna have the two. Take the two.
Yeah, I've got enough of my own here.
I'm gonna take some of that, and some jelly. Okay, guys. That makes it even weirder. I don't know how to feel about this.
Have some of my cheesecake.
No, it's not bad. 5 out of 10. Because without this 5 out of 10. With this 2 out of 10. But it's
That's not dessert.
5 is like middle. Aiden's feeling bad that I'm saying bad things, right?
I'm sorry you didn't do your dessert.
Oh no, it wasn't bad. That's why I'm giving it a 5 because it was like she still ate it.
To end off is not the best.
I don't know. I was very confused. I didn't know if I loved it or didn't like it.
How is each element?
So this I didn't like. This didn't feel like dessert. But the ice cream was quite nice. The cake was very nice. The cake was sweet. The ice cream wasn't sweet. It was like olive oil. But it was still, it was nice. With the cake, it was very nice. And then there was like this lemon filling. So all those three
weird
together.
It was very weird.
Dessert, but not bad.
Weird taste.
Something that you're not used to.
No.
Yeah, maybe that's it. But it was good. It was a cake. It was average.
So it just didn't give you a meal.
Everything was
Vibe cool. Food amazing. The little small plates, good.
cheesecake was delicious.
What was your favorite, Mother?
My favorite. I'd say the short rib. The lemon was good.
The lemon was good. That was also one of my favorites. And the chicken buns, yeah. It was good.
And those little cigars were
Did you enjoy your Mother's Day
I
out?
did. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
That was
You're welcome. Happy Mother's Day. So guys, that's a wrap of our Mother's Day dinner at Wood and Fire in Brooklyn. We had a good night, good company, good bellies are full. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Ring that bell so you get notified of upcoming videos. Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Bye. See you. Bye.